What's up guys? Imagine for only 150 pesos, makakapag-enjoy na agad ang toddlers sa isang dinosaur-themed playground. For today's vlog, nandito kami sa Dino Dig inside SM Fairview, where kids can explore giant dinosaurs, enjoy digging activities, slides, play areas, and other fun attractions perfect for little explorers. And syempre kasama natin si Zach as he checks out the whole place and enjoys this dino adventure. Honestly, nakakatuwa makita yung excitement niya habang naglalaro at nag-explore dito. So if naghahanap kayo ng budget-friendly and fun activity for your kids, baka sulit itong place na to for you. Tara guys, samahan nyo kami as we explore Dino Dig at SM Fairview. Pagpasok pa lang ni Zach, unang pinuntahan niya agad yung mga truck toys kasi sobrang hilig niya talaga sa mga car toys. Ang maganda dito, hindi lang siya pang display, pwedeng sakyan and laruin talaga ng mga kids. So kung yung toddlers niyo mahilig din sa mga cars, trucks, and ride-on toys, for sure magugustuhan nila dito. Kita mo talaga yung excitement ng mga bata habang paikot-ikot and naglalaro sa different toy areas. From the name pa lang na Dino Dig, isa sa mga unang mapapansin mo dito is yung malaking play area na puno ng small stones kung saan pwedeng maglaro and magdig yung mga bata parang little explorers talaga. May mga maliliit ding shovels, trucks, and different toys na pwedeng gamitin habang naglalaro sila sa area. And honestly, mukhang ito talaga yung isa sa pinaka-enjoy na part for most kids dahil free play talaga sila dito. May binibigay din silang ear cover or ear muffs sa lahat ng bata for safety and comfort habang naglalaro, which is nice, lalo na medyo maingay and active yung buong play area. Sa kabilang part naman, makikita nyo yung area na puno ng colorful balls and malalaking slides na talagang perfect for active kids. Dito naman, mas makakapagtakbo, akyat, and slide ng slide yung mga bata habang super enjoy sila sa play area. May mga soft play sections din kaya mas okay siya for toddlers and younger kids na gusto lang mag-explore and maglaro safely. Kita mo talaga na design yung place para mailabas ng mga bata yung energy nila habang nag-e-enjoy. And habang umiikot kami dito, mapapansin mo na halos bawat corner may ibang activity na pwedeng subukan ng kids. Kaya hindi agad sila mabobore kahit matagal silang naglalaro inside.
Buksan mo yung baba. Nga, wala ilaw. Yan niluluto
So
yan.
after spending time here at Dino Dig SM Fairview, masasabi namin na sulit siya especially for toddlers and younger kids na mahilig sa active play, digging activities, and dinosaur-themed playgrounds. For the price na around 150 pesos, marami ka nang makikitang activities inside and enough talaga siya para ma-enjoy ng mga bata. Maganda rin na indoor playground siya, kaya good option kapag mainit or maulan sa labas. One of the biggest pros dito is yung malaking play area with small stones, ride-on truck toys, slides, ball areas, and different activity zones kaya hindi agad nagsasawa yung mga bata. Safe rin siya for kids since may staff around the area and nagbibigay din sila ng earmuffs for added safety and comfort. Another thing na nagustuhan namin is maluwag yung area compared sa ibang small indoor playgrounds. So may enough space talaga for kids to move around and explore. As for the cons naman, syempre since indoor playground siya inside the mall, expect na medyo crowded siya, lalo na during weekends or holidays. Also, dahil small stones yung main play area, prepare nyo na rin na baka mapasok sa shoes or socks ng kids habang naglalaro sila. Tips lang if pupunta kayo. Magdala ng extra clothes for toddlers kasi pagpapawisan talaga sila kakalaro. Better pumunta during weekdays if gusto nyo less crowded. Keep an eye on your kids, especially sa slide and digging areas dahil sobrang exciting talaga for them. Bring socks para sa toddler and guardian kasi required yun dito ay may additional fee kapag wala pa kayong dalang socks. Overall, masasabi namin na fun and budget-friendly siyang activity for families na may toddlers or young kids. Perfect siya for quick family bonding, playtime, and letting kids enjoy and explore indoors. And honestly, seeing the kids happy and excited habang naglalaro makes the experience even more worth it. If nag-enjoy kayo sa video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more family adventures and kid-friendly places na pwede nating ma-explore. See you guys sa next vlog!